Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Wealthsimple app. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Now from this screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet. After that, you will be able to see this similar screen where you can see the total value of your cryptos. Now from here, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So in this video, I will transfer the Bitcoin. So I will just select the Bitcoin from here, but you can choose any currency of your choice from here. Then on the screen, you have to click on this transfer button. And then from this pop-up window, you have to click on withdraw. And from this another pop-up window, you have to click on this external option. After that, you will see the similar screen. From here, you have to tap on this option called add wallet address. So just tap on it and then this window will open up. From here, first you have to select the network that you want to use. And then after that, in this area, you have to paste the wallet address from your Wealthsimple. So just open up your Wealthsimple app and then you have to scroll down. And under the account section, you have to click on crypto. Then on this page, you have to scroll down and then you will find the cryptos that you can receive. So from here, select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So I will just select the Bitcoin from here also and then click on this transfer button at the bottom of your screen. After that, from this pop-up window, click on receive and then you will be able to get your deposit address or wallet address. So just click on copy button and then go back to your crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area. And the most important thing, you have to make sure that the network in your Wealthsimple and your crypto.com app is same. So you have to make sure they both match. And once you do that, click on enter the wallet name and then click on continue. Once you do that, your wallet address will be added in this area. Now you have to click on this withdraw button right next to the wallet that you have added. After that, it might show you this screen. So just click on confirm and withdraw. And then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your local currency and then click on withdraw. And lastly, you just have to confirm this withdrawal. So make sure wallet address is correct and you have chosen the right network and then click on confirm. And you may need to enter your passcode. So just enter your passcode. And once you follow this step, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from crypto.com to Wealthsimple. So I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.